Hello friends, I'm Rishi Sadhu and today's date is 17th of November and my video topic is break and continue statement. So these are jump statements. So let's see what is the jump statement first. Jump statement in Java, jump statement are mainly used to uh, transfer control to another part of our program depending on the conditions, and this jump statement can be used to jump directly to other statement, skips a specific statement, and so on. In Java there are two types of jump statements are there. First one is break statement and second one is continue statement. So let's see what is the break statement first. Break statement is used to terminate the loop irrespective of uh, whatever the condition is true or false. Whenever we enter the break statement inside a loop, the control sends outside of the loop. The syntax for break statement is for in bracket uh, initialization condition and increment decrement and bracket complete, and in curly braces statement, then break semicolon and curly braces complete. So second one is continue statement. Continue statement is used to immediately move on next iteration uh, of in the loop, and control is taken on the next iteration. Control statement skips a particular iteration in the loop, and the syntax for continue statement is for in bracket initialization condition, increment decrement and bracket complete, and in curly braces statement, and then continue semicolon and curly braces complete. The break statement and continue statement can be used in loops, and let's see what is the difference between break statement and continue statement. Break statement is used to uh, terminate the loop directly. Continue statement is used to continue next iteration in the loop. Break statement is used in loops as well as in switch cases. Continue statement is can be only used in loops. The keyword of break statement is break, and the keyword of continue statement is continue. The in break statement, control sends outside of the loop, and in continue statement, control remains in the loop. So these are the information of uh, break and continue statements. I hope it will helps you to understand the continue and break statement. Thank you.